How to make yourself irresistible to women. Hi, my name is Arica Angelo, dating and relationship expert for 13 years now. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you're one of my reoccurring subscribers that you just keep coming back, I'm so grateful to have you. Thank you for being here. So I want to go about this topic in a different way about being irresistible to women. I think a lot of times we can talk about things on the outside, sexual things to increase attraction, all these things that sound like really good tidbits. But we're going to take it a little bit deeper today, and it's about making you irresistible to a woman, okay? So if you have not gotten my free video training on the 5 mistakes that you want to avoid painful rejection with women, make sure that you get that right away because it's both free. So why not? So when we talk about being irresistible to a woman, listen, we can talk about confidence. You've heard confidence before. We can talk about, you can go to the gym. You can be a wonderful lover in bed. You can do all these things. And a lot of guys stop just there. You'll watch my videos about sex and you'll go, oh my God, that's going to make me irresistible. But at the end of the day, if a guy is great in bed, but he's not great in this area that I'm going to share with you, he's no longer irresistible. He's then damaged goods who knows how to F well. And that's it. And so some of you're like, hey, I'm content with just being damaged goods who knows how to put it on a woman. Some of my more mature audience, some of you who are more evolved, who you're like, I've had lots of women. I've been there. I've done that. I actually want to be able to keep a woman, Arica, because I'm tired of chasing. It's exhausting. So yeah, help me become irresistible to a woman. Well, I'm going to share that with you. Here's the thing. It's great to become confident. It's great to change what you wear. It's great to be a wonderful lover in the bedroom. Listen, no woman is complaining about that. All of these things are wonderful. All your efforts, they matter. I don't want to take away from any of that. But at the end of the day, a guy who's really taken the time to face himself, to do his inner work, to face his demons, to face his shadows, who's been able to face himself, he actually comes across as a very strong man to a woman. And women love strong men. We can't resist a strong man. But strength has had a misinterpretation. I think that strength nowadays, men think, oh, well, I'm forceful in my job and I get shit done. I can plumb, I can put on a new roof. I'm a strong man. But at the end of the day, when we see so many relationships falling apart and men who have not learned to face themselves, they've not learned to become emotional warriors, they are terrified of being vulnerable with a woman for a myriad of reasons. Hey guys, no matter where you are in your journey with women, I've got you covered with one of my courses. So make sure that you check these courses out at aricaangelo.com. But when a guy doesn't have that inner strength inside where he's not faced himself, eventually a woman knows in the depths of her intuition, which you can't ever play games with a woman there. That sense is always going to kick up and she's going to know. But when a guy is strong and he's really faced himself, this is what makes a woman feel safe with a man. This is where she knows that she can trust his strength. When a woman can trust your strength, that you have inner strength, then you become very irresistible. Because here's the thing. She's dated boys. She's dated the F boys. She's dated the players. She's dated the bad boys. And for a grown-ass woman, that stuff gets out of her system. And she understands the value of making a relationship work is courage, is inner strength. It's being willing to face yourself. When I talk about that, I'm talking about facing past traumas, facing things in your personality that are those blind spots that keep sabotaging you. When a guy is willing to face himself, guess what that communicates to her? That he's willing to face her. That he's not going to run away. See, a lot of women think that when they're with men, that most of them, when things get challenging emotionally, that most men will shut down. And when a man shuts down, it's not that he's strong. It's that he's out of control. He doesn't lack the strength and the fortitude to stand in the tension. So he shuts down, which is a form of running, which is not courageous. And so when a woman is looking at a man, she wants to know, has this guy actually done his inner work? Has he been willing to face himself? Has he been willing to face his demons? And here's the thing, guys, you can't bypass this. As much as we all want to bypass this, you just can't. Because at the end of the day, a woman's going to see that when there's a challenge, that's where you show what you're made of. When there's a challenge in the relationship, not just in business, not just in work or with your family, but in the relationship, when things get challenging, when there's a misunderstanding, when there's something that's not being communicated properly, how do you show up? Or do you run? Or do you hide? And see, those are the things that are going to push her away. Those are the things that make her shut down. You know, when a woman starts shutting down emotionally, she starts shutting down below as well. You know, a lot of times she'll make it about, well, you're not cleaning the house enough. You're not taking care of yourself. You put on weight. You're not shaving your beard. You just let yourself go. But those are the real reasons why she's not having sex with you, why she is resisting you. It's because she no longer feels safe. And if she doesn't feel safe, she doesn't trust you. And if she doesn't trust you, here's the ultimate. She disrespects you. And when a woman disrespects a man, she resists her man. I want to say that again because that's really important and very valuable for you to know. When a woman disrespects her man, when she doesn't feel like she can respect him, and there's disrespect there, she then resists her man. She doesn't want anything to do with him. So listen, guys, I know that, you know, sometimes facing ourselves is not a very sexy topic, but at the end of the day, it's what will make you feel proud of yourself as a man, that when you face yourself in the mirror, that you know that you face your challenges head on, even those internal challenges that society has taught you to shut down, run away from, boys don't cry, all of these things. When you face yourself, you show her that you are a courageous man. And then she feels like she can actually trust you, that she can feel safe with you. So I hope this helped you out. If you like this, put a thumbs up. And I want to hear, what part of this did you find a bit shocking? Tell me in the comment section below. I would love to know. But know this, my darling, that you indeed have what it takes. And in this moment, you are deeply loved. Make sure you subscribe. And if you haven't gotten that free training video, what are you waiting for? Avoid rejection and watch that video. You take care, and I'll see you very soon.